Hi, this is Kiran. Welcome to Entrepreneur by Choice. In this video, we will look at what is digital addiction, how addiction works, how to free yourself from it, and how to use technology. Let's begin. What is digital addiction? Simply put, it's inappropriate or dysfunctional use of technology. Do you find it impossible to sit on a train, in a coffee shop with friends, or even watch TV without repeatedly checking your phone? Do you take some form of comfort from unlocking your phone, even if it's for no specific purpose? Do you spend hours each day gaming? Do you fear that you will miss out if you don't check your social media every few minutes and start feeling upset or uncomfortable if you can't check in? Well, these are indications of digital addiction or tech addiction. How does addiction work? When you do something that gives you pleasure, such as eating a nice meal, playing sport, going dancing, that feeling of pleasure is caused by chemicals released in your brain. The pleasure system is an ingenious part of our biology, designed to encourage us to seek out the things that gives us pleasure, because these things that help us to survive, eating, drinking, staying fit, reproducing. As these things are fundamental to our survival, the pleasure chemicals are not only released in response to doing these things, a reward, but also in anticipation of doing them, an arousal. For example, we begin to salivate at the thought of a delicious meal. Addictive behaviors and substances hijack this system by triggering a release of pleasure chemicals. They don't deliver genuine pleasure, but the ending of the discomfort of withdrawal mimics genuine pleasure. It is like wearing tight shoes simply for the relief of taking them off. When you are addicted, there is a physical effect and there is a psychological effect. The physical effect is the feeling of restlessness and emptiness that makes you reach for your phone. It's like a nagging itch that needs to be scratched. This effect was created the first time you used digital junk. This physical effect arouses a psychological effect. The psychological effect was created by all the brainwashing, making you to believe that you cannot live a meaningful, connected life without your phone every moment from the time you wake up to the time you lie down to sleep. How to free yourself from this addiction? The reason you can't stop using digital junk when you want to is because you are caught up in a conflict between two fears. The first is the fear of what digital addiction is doing to you, and the second, the fear of life without it. The first fear is valid because it's based on facts. The other is invalid because it's based on illusions. Anyway, both these fears were caused by the same thing: using junk apps, junk games, and junk social media in a junk way. So when you stop using digital junk, life will be better, infinitely better. How to use technology? Technology, if used efficiently, they can help us enhance our lives, assisting us in an endless number of ways in such a significant and effective way. Think of it like a screwdriver, just a tool designed for certain jobs. There is nothing exciting about it, but it does have its uses. Thank you very much.